Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by, for catching a buzz with your cuz. We're going to be stamping our passport again today. Something that you probably haven't had before. There's no shame in this at all. Maybe you've never even heard of it, which is sad, but we're going to fix that right now. We are talking about a very, very unique ale, which we don't get to say a lot. Why is it unique? What am I talking about? So this is brewed 60 miles south of the Arctic Circle and uses the water from glaciers as the base. We're also talking about Iceland's #1 craft brewery. Let me introduce you to Einstok. This is the Arctic Pale Ale. Not to be confused with an IPA, this is an APA. Triple hopped with a very, very unique blend, if I must say so myself. Northern brewer, Cascadian, which is an American hop, Hallertau hops, which you may know as the green gold of Bavaria. So let's get this thing cracked open. I mean, this is really, really exciting. And the first time I had an Einstok product, of all places, I was in Disney World at the Food and Wine Festival, which usually runs from September-ish to November. And cruising through the Norway area, they were serving Einstok. I believe it was a white ale. It wasn't this pale ale, so I'm very excited to try this. And when I tasted the other offering, I said to myself, this is a really good beer. Why haven't I heard of this before? Well, they just started selling in the US markets about 3 years ago in 2017. Depending on when you watch this video, it could be 5 years, could be 3 years, but around April-ish of 2017, they brought their brews here. So without anything further, let's see what this triple hopped gem will provide. And there we go. See right away, it's very golden. And the other half of it is on the countertop. So probably should have let it sit for a little bit. It kind of got shaken up a little bit. Really, really nice foamy head on there. Very golden, orangey color. Slightly cloudy at this point, but I think that once the carbonation is done settling, that'll go away. You can really get that those triple hops right up at the forefront. It's like a big hop aroma, which I really like. Also a key, if you take a spoon and you stir your beer, it'll whip up the carbonation, which will attach to the hops, and you'll really get a lot of that flavor up here. So that's a nice way to taste the beer. We won't be doing that today. I'm just going to let this settle for 1 or 2 more seconds here. So this should be very unique. Here we go. Oh yeah, you get that hoppy bitterness right away, but it almost has like a slightly sweet finish. Toffee, I think, is in the flavor profile. I better take another sip just to make sure. I'm also getting grapefruit. It's got like that very nice craft beer, hop grapefruit / citrus flavor to it. This is really good. The Icelandic white ale is very good, and so is this. This is outstanding. Yeah, Iceland. I could see why you're #1 craft brewery. Undisputed, I might add. But very mild, very well balanced. Einstok. Wow. Very, very impressed with this beer. I think that if you are of legal drinking age in your country of residence, or wherever you're watching this video, this would not steer you wrong. This would be great on a hot day. It'd also be good on a cold day too. I can't imagine the balance in Iceland is, likewise to wherever else you are living in the world. But this is a 65 day beer, without a doubt. 5.6% alcohol. I know pale ales are generally thought to be weaker. This one is actually very, very nice. And it also has a very sweet malt flavor too as well. It finishes with that malt. Einstok, catch a buzz with your cuz. Subscribe to the channel. We got something pretty unique next week. Don't want you to miss it. Ring the bell, notifications, all that stuff. Like and comment below. Share the video. Conquer the beer. See you next week.